The average professional spends over 2 hours per day on email. A significant portion of that time is spent staring at a blank screen, trying to figure out how to phrase something. AI writing tools have changed this completely. Here are the best ones for work email in 2026. Gmail's built-in AI features, Help Me Write and Smart Reply, are the starting point for anyone already using Gmail. Help Me Write generates a full draft from a short prompt. Smart Reply suggests quick one-click responses for simple emails. These are free, built-in, and good enough for basic use. No additional tool needed. Microsoft Copilot in Outlook does the same for Microsoft 365 users. It drafts emails, summarizes long email threads, and suggests replies. If your company uses Microsoft 365, this is likely already available to you. Check with your IT team. For more control and higher quality output, Claude and ChatGPT are the strongest options. Both can write emails in any tone, length, and formality level. The workflow. Describe what the email needs to accomplish in plain language, specify the tone, professional, casual, assertive, apologetic, and let the AI draft it. Then edit to add your personal voice. This approach typically takes 3 to 5 minutes, instead of 20. Superhuman is an email client that has built AI features directly into the inbox. It is fast, premium priced at around $30 per month, and designed for power users who live in email. Lavender is specifically built for sales emails. It analyzes your email draft in real time and scores it for likely response rate, then gives specific suggestions to improve it. For most people, the answer is simple. Use Gmail's built-in AI for routine emails, and use Claude or ChatGPT for anything complex, sensitive, or high stakes. You do not need a separate subscription for everyday email. Subscribe for tomorrow's video on the top AI video tools for faceless channels.